Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to my 2,859th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, make sure you subscribe to these videos. Do that now, like them, and share them. Remember the risk involved in trading. Risky, risky, risky. Never trade without protective stops. Put them in first. Let's see what's going on. E-mini S&P daily bar chart. This is for trading on Tuesday, Jan 25th, 2025. On Friday afternoon, after doing some analysis, I said, OMNI, I was going to wait until Sunday night to do this video for you and prepare you for what's going to happen Monday. But instead, I didn't want to wait, so I put the video out for you on Friday afternoon to prepare you for Monday. What was that video? That video was this exact chart, and I said, look, double top. It doesn't have to go exactly to the line up here to make it an exact double top. It just has to get close. In fact, I mentioned sometimes it'll go through a little bit, right? So I'm going to make that a little bigger so you can see my point here. Sometimes the bar will actually go through that double top and go a little higher and then finally come back down and crack. Or sometimes it'll just get close to the double top and turn around and crack. So I showed this to you and said I wanted to prepare you for what will happen on Monday. This was on Friday afternoon, and this is what happened on Monday. Look at that. Is that not amazing? My goodness. The markets, the charts were speaking long before the event took place. Now, we can call it the Chinese fake news that they came up with something for a few $1 million and it takes Americans 100 million to build, and they get to use a couple of chips and it takes Americans 1,000 chips to use, or whatever the numbers are. Nonsense, we know, but it was enough to shake the markets, and the charts seen that coming before it actually happened. How about that, huh, kids? For more of the same, join me at livewithoscar.com. You know why? Because I sit here 24 hours a day practically in a live trading room. It's a live hangout room where we all do our trading. I am live in that room right now. This is me waving to you on camera. You can join me and the other OMNIacs from around the world. We're here every day. There's zero fee for this. All you have to do, there's not even a credit card required. Just go to livewithoscar.com right here. Go to livewithoscar.com. That'll bring you here. If you're already a member, you know this. You log in. If not, click register. We ask for just about nothing. Fill out first name, last name, blah, blah, blah. It will shoot you an email. That email very well could go to spam. Check your spam or your email. Shoot back the email to my site. And in absolutely no time at all, you could be hanging with me in my live trading room for absolutely free. Not even a credit card is required. Just hang out with me. We hang out every day. We look at charts. We get through these rough and tumble markets. And, of course, I send recommendations to my traders to show them what I want to do each day. So come join us. It's absolutely free. No credit cards are required. Livewithoscar.com. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, red OMNI for trading on Tuesday. We will be selling rallies in E-mini S&P, NASDAQ, or Russ if we can get a decent fill. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.